The Amazon Echo Show 5 is a compact and versatile smart display that's perfect for any home. It features a sleek, modern design with a 5.5-inch display, making it ideal for small spaces like bedside tables or kitchen counters. The device is available in multiple colors, including charcoal, glacier white, and deep sea blue, allowing it to blend seamlessly with your home decor. The Echo Show 5 comes with Amazon's Alexa voice assistant, enabling you to control smart home devices, check the weather, set reminders, and much more, all with your voice. You can stream your favorite shows, movies, and music from services like Amazon Prime Video, Netflix, Spotify, and more. The display also supports video calls, making it easy to stay connected with friends and family. You can manage your smart home devices with ease, as the Echo Show 5 can control lights, thermostats, cameras, and more, all from a single interface. The device includes a built-in camera shutter and microphone camera off button, giving you peace of mind when it comes to privacy. The Echo Show 5 is powered by a MediaTek processor, ensuring smooth performance for all your tasks. The display has a resolution of 960 by 480 pixels, providing clear and vibrant visuals. The built-in speaker delivers decent sound quality, perfect for casual listening. The Amazon Echo Show 5 is a fantastic addition to any smart home setup. Its compact size, versatile features, and affordable price make it an excellent choice for those looking to enhance their home with a smart display. Whether you're using it for entertainment, smart home control, or staying connected with loved ones, the Echo Show 5 has you covered.